Inafurahisha.
We grow stronger in hard circumstances.
Tunakuwa na nguvu katika hali ngumu.
Things of the kingdom we don't understand.
Mambo ya ufalme hatuwezi tukayaelewa.
We have a good harvest.
Tuko na mavuno mazuri
When we harrow the land.
tunapolima shamba.
Yeah, I want it to come out well. We have a bumper harvest when we harrow well the land.
Tunakuwa na mavuno mazuri tunapolima vyema shamba.
Yeah. Na unaona tunalivunja shamba. Hatulisamei shamba. We don't forgive the land. Unajua shamba lingekuwa mtu lingelia sana. We break it and harrow it.
Tunalivunja na kulikatakata.
And the more we break it,
na unapolivunja na kulikatakata,
the greater the harvest.
Mavuno mazuri
the greater the harvest.
Mavuno mazuri yanatoka hapo.
When we toil and we don't sleep well,
tunapolima na kwamba hatulali
as students,
kama wanafunzi,
when we toil studying,
tunapofanya bidii tukisoma
and we feel worn out,
na tunahisi ya kwamba tumeisha nguvu,
we get good results.
Tunapata matokeo mazuri.
We harvest in afflictions.
Tunavuna katika mateso.
Hello. When a woman is in labor pains,
wakati mwanamke yuko katika ujauzito ama katika hali ya uchungu,
that's the time you are ready to harvest a baby.
Hapo ndipo unastahili kupata mtoto.
So we harvest in afflictions.
Tunavuna katika mateso.
And therefore the Bible says the child grew strong in the desert.
Ndio maana Biblia inasema kwamba mtoto akakuwa na nguvu katika jangwa.
And the Bible here also says that the Israelites, they multiplied and increased.
Na ndio maana Biblia inasema wana wa Israeli wakaongezeka na kuwa wengi.
Yeah, they multiplied and grew.
Wakaongezeka na kukua.
The more they were afflicted,
jinsi walivyokuwa wanateswa sana,
that's when they grew and multiplied.
Hapo